students, good morning everyone. Today let us see example 7.44. Evaluate limit extends to infinity 1 plus 2x to the whole power 1 by 2 log x. So the question is evaluate limit extends to infinity 1 plus 2x to the whole power 1 by 2 log x is the question. First, as usual, take this question. Limit extends to infinity 1 plus 2x to the whole power 1 by 2 log x. If you substitute this limit here, x க்கு பதிலா infinity substitute பண்ணா 1 plus 2 into infinity is infinity, 1 plus infinity is infinity, and 1 by 2 log infinity is infinity. So 1 by infinity is 0. So infinity power 0 form. So we have to bring this into infinity by infinity or 0 by 0 form. So for that, first take, this is an indeterminate form. So take g of x is equal to 1 plus 2x to the whole power 1 by 2 log x. Now taking log on both sides. So log g of x is equal to log 1 plus 2x to the whole power 1 by 2 log x. So using power rule, bring this number this side. So it becomes 1 by 2 log x into this one. So you write this as log 1 plus 2x. So power rule apply பண்ணி இத கொண்டு வரும்போது இந்த நம்பர் into இது வரும். So ஒரே ஸ்டெப்ல எழுதிட்டேன். So log g of x. Now take limit. So limit x tends to infinity log g of x is equal to limit x tends to infinity log 1 plus 2x divided by 2 log x. இப்போ இந்த லிமிட்டை சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். So if I substitute here 1 plus infinity is infinity, so log infinity is infinity, so which is equal to infinity by infinity form. So log infinity is infinity. So once again log infinity by infinity வந்துச்சுன்னா we can apply L'Hopital rule. So apply LH rule. So இந்த லிமிட் இங்க அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது infinity by infinity வந்துச்சு. So இந்த ஃபார்ம் வந்துச்சுன்னா we can apply LH rule. LH ரூல்னா என்னது? நியூமரேட்டர் தனியா டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், டினாமினேட்டர் தனியா டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், u by v ஃபார்முலா போக தேவையில்லை. So left hand side limit x tends to infinity log g of x is equal to, so இத அப்படியே டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணிப்போம். So limit x tends to infinity log 1 plus 2x டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 1 by 1 plus 2x, அப்புறம் 2x டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 2 into 2 divide by 2 log x டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 2 is the constant, அப்படியே எழுதிக்கலாம். log x டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 1 by x. Now this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So 2 get cancelled. If I take this as reciprocal, it becomes limit x tends to infinity x by 1 plus 2x. இப்போ இந்த limit substitute பண்ணா once again it is infinity by infinity. So we want to apply again apply LH rule. திரும்ப ஒரு தடவை LH rule apply பண்ணணும். அப்ப left hand side அப்படியே இருக்கும். log g of x is equal to limit x tends to infinity. இப்போ இதை டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா x டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 1, 1 டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 0, and 2x டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 2. So 1 by 2. So very simple, which is equal to no x. So no need to substitute infinity. So it becomes 1 by 2. So but, so we can write limit x tends to infinity log g of x function log limit x tends to infinity g of x அப்படின்னு எழுதணும். So இதோட வேல்யூ என்னன்னா 1/2. So which implies log limit x tends to infinity g of x is equal to 1/2. Now write in exponential form. Exponential form எழுதும்போது log cancel ஆயிடும், இது e power 1/2 னு வரும். So limit x tends to infinity g of x is equal to e power 1/2. Now what is g of x? இங்க என்ன எடுத்தோமோ அதை இங்க substitute பண்ணோம்னா limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 2x to the whole power 1/2 log x is equal to e power 1/2 root e னு எழுதணும். So this is the answer. Now let us go to example 7.45. Now example 7.45. This is the question. Evaluate. Limit x tends to 1 x power 1 plus x, sorry, 1 minus x, x power 1 by 1 minus x, x power 1 by 1 minus x. Now at first take this question. Limit x tends to 1 x power 1 by 1 minus x is equal to, apply the limit. So 1 power 1 by 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 by 0, so which is equal to 1 power infinity. So it is indeterminate form. So bring this into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then apply LHS rule. So for that take a g of x is equal to x power 1 by 1 minus x. Now taking log on both sides. So log g of x is equal to log x power 1 by 1 minus x. Bring the power rule. So bring this power this side, left hand side. So 1 by 1 minus x log x. So it is log g of x. Now substitute the limit. So limit x tends to 1 log g of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 log x divided by 1 minus x. Now substitute this 1. Now here log 1 is 0 by 1 minus 1 is 0. So now 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form வந்துச்சுன்னா we can apply LH rule. So apply LH rule. இப்போ LH rule apply பண்ணும்போது left hand side அப்படியே எழுதிப்போம். Limit x tends to 1 log of g of x is equal to limit x tends to 1. So log x differentiate பண்ணா 1 by x divide by 1 minus x differentiate பண்ணா 1 differentiate பண்ணா 0, x differentiate பண்ணா 1, minus இருக்கிறதுனால minus 1. So minus உள்ள மேல கொண்டு போனோம்னா it is limit x tends to 1 minus 1 by x. Now if I substitute the value, that limit value substitute பண்ணா it is limit x tends to 1 log g of x is equal to minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. So minus 1. Now what? First using composite theorem. So but limit x tends to 1 log g of x can be written as log limit x tends to 1 g of x அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். அப்போ இந்த இதை எடுத்து இங்க எழுதும்போது log limit x tends to 1 g of x is equal to, what is the answer we have got? Minus 1. So log எடுத்துட்டு exponential form எழுதும்போது it is e power minus 1. So limit x tends to 1 g of x equal to e power minus 1, which can be written as 1 by e. So what is g of x now? Limit x tends to 1, g of x is x power 1 by 1 minus x is equal to 1 by v is the answer. Now let us go to exercise problems now. Exercise 7.5. Now exercise 7.5, first question, evaluate limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square. Now first take the question, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square is equal to, if I substitute 0 here, 1 minus cos 0 divided by 0, x 0. So cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 by 0 form. So apply LH rule. So first write the limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now differentiate this numerator. If I differentiate 1, it is 0. So minus cos x differentiate panna minus cos x, minus of minus plus cos x differentiate panna minus sin x, minus sin x, minus of minus plus. So plus sin x divided by x square differentiate panna 2x. Now if I substitute this limit here, once again sin 0 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 by 0 form. So again apply LH rule. திரும்ப ஒரு தடவை இந்த rule apply பண்ணிக்கணும். So what is in the left hand side now? Limit x tends to 0, sin x divided by 2x. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0, sin x differentiate panna cos x divided by 2x differentiate panna 2. Now substitute this limit cos 0 divided by 2. So cos 0 is 1 by 2. So is the answer. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square is equal to 1 by 2. Here write one more time 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Now let us go to second question. Now exercise 7.5, question number 2. Evaluate limit x tends to infinity 2x square minus 3 divided by x square minus 5x plus 3. Now take the question at first. Limit x tends to infinity 2x square minus 3 divided by x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to, apply the limit. So infinity minus anything is infinity, divide by, so it's a polynomial, so infinity. So infinity by infinity form. So we can apply LH rule. So in the form on the LH rule use பண்ணிக்கலாம். So limit x tends to infinity 2x square minus 3 differentiate பண்ணா x square differentiate பண்ணா 2x, இங்க already ஒரு 2 இருக்கு, so 2 into 2 4, 4x minus 3 differentiate பண்ணா 0 divide by x square differentiate பண்ணா 2x minus 5x differentiate பண்ணா minus 5 plus 3 differentiate பண்ணா 0. Now that's all. So apply LH rule na தனித்தனியா differentiate பண்ணியாச்சு, எழுதியாச்சு. Now apply this limit. Once again we are getting infinity by infinity form. So we can apply again. So again apply LH rule. திரும்ப L'Hopital rule use பண்றோம். So அப்போ limit x tends to infinity 4x differentiate பண்ணா 4 divide by 2x differentiate பண்ணா 2, 5 differentiate பண்ணா 0. So which is equal to, so cancel பண்ணோம்னா 2. So there is no x value to apply the limit. So the answer is 2. So 2 is the answer. So we can write the answer as x tends to infinity 2x square minus 3 divided by x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 2 is the answer. Then go to third sum. Now question number 3, evaluate. Limit x tends to infinity x by log x. So as usual, take the question. Limit x tends to infinity x by log x. Limit substitute panna, we are getting infinity by infinity form. So apply LH rule. In the rule apply pannikkalam. So limit x tends to infinity, x differentiate panna 1, log x differentiate panna 1 by x. So which is equal to, taking reciprocal, we are getting x. So limit x tends to infinity x. If I substitute the limit, x is equal to infinity, then it is infinity. That's all. This is the answer. Write the answer. Limit x tends to infinity x by log x is equal to infinity is the answer. Now let us go to fourth question. Very simple questions. Fourth question, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus. Evaluate. Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus secant x by tan x. Secant x by tan x. Now take the question. Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus secant x by tan x. So if I substitute pi by 2 instead of x, so what would be the answer? So secant x, tan pi by 2 is infinity. So the same way secant means it is 1 by cos. Cos pi by 2 is 1. So 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. So let us make some small arrangements here. So limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, take secant pi by 2. Now let us write secant x as 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x divided by tan x and sin x by cos x. So cos x get cancelled. So which is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus 1 by sin x. If I substitute the limit now, it is 1 by sin pi by 2. So what is pi by 2? Sin pi by 2 is equal to sin 0, 0, sin 91. So 1 by 1, which is equal to 1 is the answer. So limit x tends to pi by 2 minus secant x by tan x is equal to 1 is the answer. Then question number 5. Now question number 5, evaluate. Limit x tends to infinity e power minus x root x. Now take this question and write limit x tends to infinity e power minus x root x. So if I substitute infinity here, it is equal to infinity into infinity form. So let me write this question as limit x tends to infinity, e power x can be written as 1 by e power x. So root x by e power x. Now if I substitute infinity here, it is infinity by infinity form. So apply LH rule. Limit x tends to infinity, root x differentiate panna 1 by 2 root x divide by e power x differentiate panna e power x. So which is equal to, now if I apply this limit x tends to infinity, so infinity into infinity is infinity, so 1 by infinity. So 1 by infinity na 1 by 0. So if I take reciprocal, 0 is the answer. So 1 by infinity means 0. 1 by infinity value is 0. So answer is limit x tends to infinity e power minus x root x is equal to 0 is the answer. Now question number 6, evaluate. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 1 by sin x minus 1 by x. Now first take the question. Limit x tends to 0 1 by sin x minus 1 by x. Now apply the limit. It is 1 by sin 0 is 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Minus 1 by 0 is infinity. So infinity minus infinity form. So bring this into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. So we want some small arrangements here. So limit x tends to 0. Take LCM. X into sin x is LCM. So cross multiply x minus sin x. Now which is equal to, if I substitute 0 here, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. So it is 0 by 0 form. So we can apply LH rule. Now apply LH rule. Limit x tends to 0. X differentiate panna 1 minus sin x differentiate panna cos x. Divide by, now you apply uv formula, uv dash. So x into sin x differentiate panna cos x plus sin x அப்படியே வச்சுக்கணும், x differentiate panna 1. That's all. So if I substitute 0 here, cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 by, here 0 into something is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So 0 by 0 form. See, once again apply L'Hopital rule. So again apply LH rule. So limit x tends to 0. 1 differentiate panna 0. Cos x differentiate panna minus sin x. Minus of minus plus. So plus sin x. Divide by, இப்போ x and cos x take u v. So u அப்படியே வச்சுக்கணும், that is x அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு x cos x differentiate பண்ணா minus sin x. So minus முன்னாடி கொண்டு வந்துடுறேன். And cos x அப்படியே வச்சு x differentiate பண்ணணும். So plus cos x into 1 plus sin x. Plus sin x. So minus x cos x plus, minus x sin x plus cos x plus sin x. So now if I substitute the limit here, so sin x க்கு 0 வந்துரும், divide by 0 into anything is 0, sin x is 0, cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1 which is equal to 0 is the answer. So limit x tends to 0, 1 by sin x minus 1 by x is equal to 0 is the answer. So x limit substitute பண்ணும்போது sin 0 is 0. இங்க 0 into anything is 0. So this term cancel. Sin 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1. 0 by anything is 0. So the answer is 0. Now question number 7. Now question number 7. Evaluate. Limit x tends to 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 minus x by x minus 1 is the given function. So first take the question. Limit x tends to 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 minus x by x minus 1. Now if I substitute the limit 1, so 2 by 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 by 0 is infinity minus 0 by here minus 1. So 0 by minus 1. Minus 1. 0 by anything is 0. So infinity minus 0 form. So infinity minus 0 form. So we want some arrangements here. So limit x tends to 1 plus. So here 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I can take this as 0 by 0. Sorry, 1 by 0 is infinity. Sorry, infinity minus infinity form. So let me take a, see here I can write this as x plus 1 and x minus 1. So take x square minus 1. Or if you split this and write, it's very easy. 2 by x plus 1 into x minus 1 minus x by x minus 1. Now take LCM, it's very easy. So limit x tends to 1 plus is equal to. So take LCM, x plus 1 into x minus 1. So now both the factors are here. So you write 2 as it is minus. Only x minus 1 is here. So take x plus 1 and cross multiply. So x into x plus 1. So now if I substitute 1 here, see, limit substitute பண்ணுவோம். 2 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 divide by 1 plus 1 and 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. So which is equal to, here 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 minus 2 divide by 2 into 0 is 0. So which is equal to 0 by 0 form. See, once again apply. Now we want to apply 0 by 0 form வந்துருச்சு. So apply LH rule. So limit x tends to 1 plus. Now this is the last factor we have defined. So differentiate this very easily. So it is 2 minus x square minus x. So let me write like this. 2 minus x ulla differentiate panna x square minus x into 1 is minus x divide by, here I can write x square minus 1. So appada differentiate பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Which is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus. Now differentiate. இப்பதான் LH rule apply பண்றோம். 2 differentiate பண்ணா 0, minus x square differentiate பண்ணா minus 2x minus 1 divide by 2x minus 0. So இப்போ இங்க limit substitute பண்ணா minus 2 into 1 minus 1 divide by 2 into 1. So which is equal to minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 divide by 2 is the answer. So I can write limit x tends to 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 minus x by x minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the answer. So rest of the problems let us see later. Thank you all.